Okay, so here's our updated version. We've reinforced the whole frame so we can put this counterweight. As you can see, we've got weights there. That's about 120 pounds of weights there, and it's to lift this antenna, and we'll demonstrate you how easy it is to use. So here we are, just a matter of picking up, leaning a little bit against it, but it's quite easy to do, and as you can see, counterbalance just with one hand, no problems, one arm I should say, and you put it down, and it's because we've got 120 pounds on these weights. This is all temporarily set up, but you get the basic idea of how this works. I presume if you made a frame properly and set it up better, but this is the idea of the whole setup. And well, I suppose that's about it.